What's going on, guys? This is Sidney Cumbie with yet another makeup video. So this makeup is going to be on me. Yes, I act every now and then, and this makeup was actually for a couple of videos produced, directed, and starred in by my friend Andrew Bowser. If you don't know Andrew, he plays Onyx the Fortuitous. If you look him up, you'll see it's a weird character. It's a lot of fun though. He's hilarious.
My allegiance is recognized. I don't know. Notice me, senpai. Notice me.
And so I just play a store manager of a VHS store, and I happen to be a monster. You might say I'm a monster boss. That's actually my character name, Monster Boss, whatever. But this makeup was sort of inspired by Little Monsters. If you haven't seen the movie, go back and watch Little Monsters. It's pretty awesome. As a kid, I loved it. So I was inspired by that. I pre-painted all the pieces, and then Jacquelyn Coon applied all the pieces and then did all the spots and all the cool stuff. She did the horns too. The horns look really cool in this makeup. So that said, I'll just give a little shout out to who helped us out. We got RBFX Prosthetics, awesome prosthetics, everything you see in this video, RBFX, Mel Packs, Mel Products, Packs Paint to seal all the prosthetics, European Body Art, airbrush colors, Telesis 5 adhesive was used to glue this on me. Delium Tools brushes are the best effects brushes you can get anywhere, and I'm not just saying that because I work for them, but they are the best effects brushes you can get, as well as 9mm contact lenses. 9mm SFX lenses are really the best lenses you can get if you can get them. That said, I'm just gonna let this video go. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that notification button, please. Or, I mean, if you want a notification from this channel, I don't know. I don't make money from this stuff, so this is just fun for me. So, you know, notifications, whatever. Make sure you subscribe, comment below, let me know what you want, and until next time, guys, I'm out of here. Bye!
Monster Boss, do you ever wish you could be someone else?
Actually, Onyx, I've worked quite hard over the years to be completely happy within the skin I'm in.